In recent months, a number of increased downpours or cloud bursts have caused significant damage across India. These incidents have been mostly concentrated on the mountainous Himalayan regions. In the last 3 months, in June, high intensity rain events in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir triggered flash floods that damaged multiple hydroelectric projects and other infrastructure. In August 2025, a particularly destructive cloud burst in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand, caused a flash flood that swept away a village, leading to fatalities and large search operation. This was followed by more incidents in the other parts of the same state. In September 2025, heavy localized rainfall led to flash floods and several landslides in the districts of Uttarakhand, including Dehradun and Chamoli. This resulted in casualties, damaged infrastructure, and blocked key roads. Now, these extreme events are a complex outcome of both natural atmospheric condition and broader environmental changes. There is influence of western disturbances. There is, of course, the role of climate change. Let's look at the influence of western disturbances. While traditionally occurring in winters, western disturbances have been intersecting with the Indian monsoon season. This convergence of opposing weather systems created highly unstable atmospheric conditions. The moisture laden air from both the source is forced to rise over the mountains, forming massive cumulonimbus clouds that cannot hold the accumulated water, leading to its sudden and violent release. Regarding the role of climate change, there is increased atmospheric moisture. That means a warmer atmosphere can hold a greater amount of moisture. That means for every 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature, the air's moisture holding capacity rises by about 7%. This means that weather systems are now carrying and releasing more water during rainfall events. Shifting rainfall patterns are also moving from steady and moderate rainfall towards prolonged dry spells punctuated by short and extreme heavy downpours. Also, rising temperatures are causing Himalayan glaciers to melt more rapidly. This increases water in river and streams from the meltwater. When combined with intense rainfall, it dramatically increases the destructive potential of flash floods.